Every pop-up drink stand should carry extra cups, lids, straws, napkins, ice, a backup cash box, extra bags of syrup or mix, a spare tent weight or two, a first aid kit, and a portable phone charger, since running out of any one of these can shut down sales fast even on your busiest day. Think of your drink stand like a tiny restaurant on wheels, and just like a restaurant, you need backup supplies so a small hiccup doesn't turn into a big problem. Most people only pack enough cups and ice for what they expect to sell, but smart vendors always bring about 20% more than they think they'll need because hot days and surprise crowds happen more than you'd guess. One thing hardly anyone talks about is bringing a spare folding table leg or a roll of strong tape, because stands often wobble or break from wind and heavy foot traffic, and a quick fix can save your whole setup. You should also keep a backup battery pack for your card reader, since dead batteries in the middle of a rush are one of the most common reasons vendors lose sales. Packing a small cooler just for backup ice, separate from your drink ice, keeps your cups cold even if your main cooler runs low. These small preparations are what separate a stand that survives a tough day from one that has to close early. One common mistake is not testing your backup card reader battery before the event, so always charge it the night before and keep it charged during slow periods. Another mistake is forgetting extra trash bags, which can make your stand look messy fast, so pack at least double what you think you'll use. A lot of vendors also forget sunscreen and water for themselves, and staying hydrated and protected keeps you sharp and friendly all day, so keep a small personal kit separate from your drink supplies. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.